Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, we are here with the artist herself. I'm so excited that you did this for me, and I want to hurry up and show them. Like you've been here all day, and I just want to say thank you, man, for real. Like this is truly amazing. Definitely like. I did not expect it to go like this, and it's amazing what you did for the mural on the wall. And let's go ahead and show them what you came up with. And this is the design. This is so freaking fire. I want y'all to pay attention to the details, like the details on everything. Make sure you follow her on Instagram. Look at the details. We already had this up here already. And this series up here is called A Head in the Clouds. And these are my clients, my haircuts, and she painted all 4 of them. And now she just did this. I mean, look at the amazing work. Those are my tattoos. My first pair of clippers I ever picked up. My grandma and grandpa's tattoo on my arm. And my second tattoo that I ever got was a barber pole. Got this in Barber College. And dang, look at the details in the words too, like the color in the background. Golly, this is so fire. The color splatter. How long did this take you to do?
Oh my gosh.
You started around 11.
11, yeah. 7 hours?
Yeah.
7 hours.
Sheesh.
It's not bad.
Look at the detail. Follow her on Instagram. Do you have any other social media platforms?
Yeah, I'm everywhere. I'm on X, I'm on YouTube, I'm on...
And you got a website
Facebook,
too, right?
Everywhere, yes. TheArtistJones.com.
Artistjones.com, man. Book her.
Yes.
Book her. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and bless her with a haircut. But look, I'm using something new right here. This is a neck phone magnet thing. I just picked it up, so it looks pretty cool because it's like a POV, and I'm just gonna do it in regular video. But I just think that having my hands free and still getting a dope angle is gonna be dope for YouTube. So let's go ahead and jump into this cut. YouTube, what is good, man? Your boy Matt Gifted Hands, back to you with another dope video. As you can tell in the beginning of this video, she did her thing, so it was my turn to create my art. And guys, she's done all my paintings in my room, the paintings that's above the mural. She did that as well. And she also did the one that's a picture of herself after I gave her a design in the back of her neck. She painted herself and killed that painting as well. So I basically just want to return the favor and asked her, after she was done doing this painting, after 7 hours, guys, I just wanted her to relax and get a haircut and get fresh for the week. But man, this is a really good friend of mine, guys. Started off with a client, and we just built a dope relationship. She's seen my kids grow up. I've seen her kids grow up, and you know, we're here now, and it's just dope that we finally were able to get this done. We've been talking about this for so long. And Tracy, if you're watching this, girl, again, I cannot thank you enough. Your friendship, your loyalty, your your advice. I mean, everything that we always talked about, everything that we always share with our careers and personal life. Like, I definitely take that. The feeling is mutual, and you know, you're a family friend. You're the friend of the family, and she's done also some very special paintings for me as well for my daughter's room. So again, guys, she is just a good person all the way around. So please hit the description in the description. Click her link, her website, all her social media platforms. Follow her, and guys, book her. I think that if you got a vision of something that you want done, a painting, something to bring to life, like, I definitely think she is the one to go to when it comes to that, because not only did I already expect her to kill this mural, but it exceeded my expectations. I watched her do the mural for the first couple of hours, but then I stepped out, and then coming back to it done, man, it almost brought tears in my eyes, man, because this is a very special piece for me, because again, sharing that it's my first pair of clippers that I ever picked up. I'm sharing the culture and my background from where I come from, San Antonio, Texas. So those are the old school Spurs colors, and I think those colors just pop. I've always loved the 90s classic Spurs colors over the black and silver. I mean, I got a tattoo in my inner arm of that logo of the Spurs. So I felt like just showing where I come from, showing my culture, never forgetting where I come from. It's just dope. I'm probably one of the only real Spurs fans in Tampa, Florida. But anyways, guys, man, as you can tell, this is a dope POV view. I'm using that neck mount. It's like a magnet, magnetizes to your phone. So saw it on TikTok, thought it would be a dope idea, and as you can tell, the angle is perfect. My hands are not in the way. You can see what I'm doing with the lineup, with the taper, and I think that this is going to be a dope, addition to my channel. I mean, what do y'all think? Y'all can comment below if you like this POV. Every now and then I'll pull out my camera and get a better quality video, but I feel like this right here is just perfect enough for me to pump out this content, and just have that dope view and that angle. I'm able to have my hands free, and as you can tell, like, it's not even shaking, it's not moving. I'm the only thing that's moving. So I feel like it's a dope addition to my channel. But yeah, guys, so after I clean her up with a razor, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the design. And it was already late, so I didn't want to get too intricate or too crazy with the design. I know she wanted to go home and rest and be with her family for the rest of the night, so I did a pretty simple design, kind of had it like made a 3D effect to it. So after this razor, we're gonna go ahead and jump to that design. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all rock out to the beat. And if you're interested in my beats, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Tito Beats Productions. He's always blessed me with some dope packages, and he has packages that you can buy very affordable, and that's what I use for my beats. So make sure you click that link in the description. But anyways, guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. Let's get this channel to 200,000 subscribers. Let's get back into the algorithm. And I'm not giving them hope. I'm not giving up hope that my channel can get put back in the algorithm. I just keep dropping. Even though my numbers on views are not where I want them to be, eventually I'm going to look back and say, we started from the bottom again. So I love the grind. I love the work ethic and the hustle to get back to where I want to be. So we're going to keep killing it, guys. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. And again, I'm just going to let y'all vibe out to the beat. And yeah, thank you again, Tracy, for blessing my suite and putting your artwork on the wall. And I just think that, I wanted to go back to work the next day. I couldn't sleep last night, and I'm just so excited for my clients to walk in and see that piece. So again, thank you. And guys, I hope y'all look at her, her social media, check her workout, check her website out. She got tons of merchandise. But yeah, show some love, man. Show some love. So the Team Gifted community, show some love. All right, y'all. Well, I'm going to go ahead and be out. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. And as always, Team Gifted, stay gifted. Let's go.